I'm having really bad cramps. So that's no fun. I definitely don't feel super good today because honestly it's like that time of the month for me, and I'm just bloated and my back hurts and all the great stuff. I'm going to just really clean and pick up my space. I just have to like vacuum and I need to kind of fix my room up a little bit. I'm just gonna take you guys with me while I'm doing that, so just enjoy this little cleaning montage that I got going on. I'll probably just throw on a nice little background sound and split up the video chapters so you guys know what part of my apartment I'm cleaning. I'm gonna pop some ibuprofen because my head hurts and chug water, and I'm gonna clean. So I hope this helps you guys maybe get a little motivated to go clean your space. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 5:51 and I just wanted to check in and say hey because this is part of my weekly routine and I'm getting ready for school. Well, I am ready for school. I'm just gonna eat my breakfast. You guys have a really good Friday. It's a Friday today, so that's so exciting, and I'll see you guys when I'm off. Alright babes, hello. It is actually a couple days later, so last time you guys saw me it was on a Friday, and now it is Sunday night. It is actually 6:28, so it's almost 6:30, and look, the sun is not even all the way down yet. Like, how awesome is that? You guys can still see some lights coming through my apartment. But I just wanted to check in and talk to you guys because Saturday was just a really busy day for me. I don't think I was realizing how busy my weekend was. I had my friends got engaged, which was so awesome, and so I really just wanted to take that day to spend it with them, see them, go to their engagement, go to their brunch, and then I also hung out with some of my other friends. We got a really nice dinner, and I'll put a picture right here of the chicken spadini I got. It was so good. It's from a local Italian restaurant in KC. Now it is Sunday, and as you can see, I have some of my things out to clean. I've already cleaned a little bit today, but since this vlog is a few days in my life, I wanted to give you guys kind of what a Friday looks like for me, what a Sunday looks like for me, and then also Monday. So Monday after I have work and track practice and all that good stuff. So that is kind of what I want to show you guys, and I've noticed a lot, my previous vlogs, is I just talk a lot, and sometimes I'm not showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna really start practicing just being able to show you clips and not always walking you through verbally what I'm doing. So I figured a montage of a handful of days would be something newer because I normally vlog just an entire day. I also wanted to point out to you guys, whatever this video is, this is one of my latest self-care vlogs. I have one of my partnerships with Javi Coffee, and I do have a discount code for 20% off, so make sure you guys are checking that out and watching that vlog to totally see how I drink and make that coffee and just see the total review of it. And I'm definitely being very honest and genuine with you guys. Like, I literally drink that every other day because it's a really good quick alternative to actually going and getting coffee, and it's really good. So I just wanted to plug that really quick, but other than that, I'm gonna clean a little bit and you guys are gonna get to watch me. So let's get to it. All right, so first thing we need to do is sweep so that I can get to Swiffery in my apartment. So let's go. Okay guys, so before I get into the shower, I wanted to show you really quickly something really nice I got off Amazon. This is absolutely a Lululemon dupe for their fanny pack, and I kind of just wanted to plug it because I feel like I, like everybody else, almost fell victim to having a fanny pack little crossbody, but from Lulu, and this is the same thing. My best friend has a Lululemon fanny pack, and this is pretty much identical. The only difference is this is plastic. I think the Lulu ones are metal. They may be plastic, I don't know, this little buckle thing, but everything else is pretty identical. The material, it's like an athletic-y type of windbreaker type material. The zipper is a charcoal gray, which I think is really nice, and the back has like that string tie where there is a completely separate compartment. I like to shove my phone in there, and then the inside is really nice and spacious and has all these little like mesh side pockets. So just a quick little plug for this really cute fanny pack. I'll link that down below, and I do use my Amazon associates link for that, so if you guys buy that on Amazon, then you help me make a little bit of commission and help help support my channel. So love that. And you guys, like I said, are supporting me. But I just wanted to plug this, honestly, in general, just because I almost bought the Lululemon one until I found this on Amazon. So. Hey babes, what's up? I think the last time you saw me was like 2 or 3 days ago and I was getting in the shower. I honestly don't even remember. All I remember is that it was parent-teacher conference week this week. It was extreme test day and I'm exhausted. So I just actually got back from practice. It's 4:58 and we have a coaching parent meeting at 6:30. So I'm just gonna eat a quick snack. I think I'm gonna read and just chillax. I made some Oreos. What did I just say? Oh, tell me you are quite literally drained without telling me you're drained. I made Cheerios. Those are Cheerios. Sorry. Anyways, my favorite thing to do with my Cheerios is put some really good all natural peanut butter in there just to give it a little extra something slight. Normally this is a little more runny, but I keep mine in the fridge so that it stays like actually scoopable, because if you know anything about natural peanut butter, you know that it really likes to just be super oily. But I'm gonna eat this snack and chillax, and I will be checking in with you guys tonight. I'll be checking in with you tomorrow and then probably Saturday too, because like I said, this is a weekly vlog and I'm trying to keep it weekly. I slacked a little bit, but it's okay. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, babes, hello. I am so exhausted. I know you can see it on my face right now. Whew, I can barely talk. Okay, it's 9 o'clock, and after I show you guys what I just got in the mail, I'm going to sleep. But you guys probably know that I've been really good about drinking my water lately, and that is mostly because I have one of these. It's a hydro jug, but the hydro jug I have is like really old. And so I got a new one, and I wanted to show you guys because I know the Stanley cup is like such a thing, but honestly it leaks, which is really boosty considering it's so expensive. So hydro jug actually came out with a stainless steel thermos like jug. It looks like this, and yes, it's a little pricey, but it's only like $10–15 more than what the normal Stanley cups are, and it's half a gallon. So I ordered myself one of those. So shout out to hydro jug, and I wanted to open it in front of you guys because I'm really excited for my jug. Wow. And because I'm a coach and I need my water, and I carry around little skimpy cups like this as a teacher, and I have to go refill it every day. This is cool for like your nightstand water, whatever, but I like this for 7 hours of teaching and then 2–3 hours of coaching. Like, be so for real. It's like matte leopard and has like little glossy leopard print on it. Has a handle. The handle doesn't move or anything, but you know, that's fine. It's still really nice. Wow, this is so freaking nice. Like I said, this is half a gallon of water, so that is really, really nice to have. And all you do is like pop it open. I'm going to finish my little chores around the apartment. I actually really need to, let me show you guys, put this laundry away. And there's more on the chair. I know you see it, and my bathroom's a mess. Like, okay, cool, whatever. So I'm gonna do that, and I will probably see you guys later in the day tomorrow. I have a couple errands I'm gonna run after all my teacher meetings, and for sure Saturday, because Saturday I'm filming my closet clean out, so I'll probably end my vlog there. Good night, babes, and I hope you sleep super good. Okay, hey babes, I just got out of my shower and today is Saturday, so I probably will end my vlog off today after I'm getting done doing my makeup. I wanted to film a closet clean out, but I just really did not feel good at all when I woke up this morning, so I really needed to just sit in bed and nurse myself back to health. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and I am gonna kind of go through my closet and pick some clothes that I know for sure I want to take home, whether that's winter clothes or like spring clothes. So I'm at least gonna do that, but I have a lot of exciting things coming out just because it is my spring break. So I think that over the week I'm gonna film a couple videos that's like spring cleaning, decluttering, all that stuff, just because I know, one, those are really popular now, two, I love a good spring clean, and I have so many things like my vanity drawers that are just really not put together anymore, and I really want to try to get them a little more organized. So I'm gonna get my makeup done, and I'll see you guys here in just a second. Okay, makeup is done. I don't know what it is, but just doing makeup on a weekend when you genuinely have nothing to do just makes me so happy. Like, it's so relaxing to do my makeup whenever I know I'm not like rushing to go get something done. So that's been my vibe lately. That was really random, nobody asked, but it's fine. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just go through my closet that's over here and pick a couple things that I, one, know I'm taking back home, and two, I think I want to kind of just maybe donate or give to my nieces. So I'm going to do that. I know it's not like a full closet clean out, but like I said, I just wanted to get something done so I can head over to my mom. And it's 2:11 right now. It feels like it could be 5 o'clock, but it's literally not. So I'm going to get this done. I'm probably gonna take my laptop there with me so I can get some editing done too, because I need to upload it, and I hate that so much. But right now I'm kind of rolling on a 1 video a week type schedule until the end of the school year, and then once the school year is over, I'm gonna have so many awesome and just fun opportunities to have content, vlogs, specialized videos, whatever, for summer, because it's gonna be so nice because I'm on my teacher vibe. So I will not be working. I have a couple things I'm doing for like grad class stuff because I'm gonna be looking at getting my master's soon, but in some conferences, but nothing crazy. So just look forward to that. So if you're watching this still and you're a new viewer and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because I'm not going anywhere and summer's right around the corner, and I'm gonna have a really good consistent 2-3 videos a week type schedule. So let's get this closet picked out here. I'm gonna just kind of speed it up and montage it because I'm currently listening to a Pamela Anderson podcast interview because I love Pam Anderson. She's an icon, and I love listening to podcasts when I'm cleaning or doing something. So you guys are just gonna hang out and watch me pick and comb through my closet. Okay guys, so whenever I do my closet cleanout video, you're gonna see this all basically get rearranged, and I'm really excited for that because honestly my closet's a mess. Like, just not utilizing the space properly. And since I'm not utilizing the space properly, like, I really just want to move it around, get all my stuff situated so then I don't have to worry about not having space once summer rolls around. I have some trips planned. I'm gonna be traveling, I'm gonna be coaching, doing my thing, so I want to make sure that she is an organized closet. And I just wanted to say right before I end this vlog off that this is so freaking good. Like, I've had water in here since last night and it's cold, so cold. I love it. And so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out, and I will see you guys in my next video. So make sure you are subscribing, make sure you're having your notifications turned on so you're not missing multiple uploads. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I'm sorry if this vlog was a little choppy all over the place. It's okay. It's just realistic of how my life looks sometimes. But I just wanted to say have a good weekend. Thank you for watching, and I will see you babes next time.